Open it. Why you not open it?
I did. You don't know how to open. I'll do it.
No, Daddy.
Go. Here.
Hi, Rolf.
Hi. Bye.
I don't.
Who's that? Who's
Hello.
that?
You're so tall.
Why are you hiding?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Come here. How are you, Rolf?
Good.
Did you give Kuya a hug? Give Kuya a hug.
Mom, I forgot to tell you to bring home my...
Cooler. I wasn't gonna fit anyway.
It wasn't.
Need it? You're so tall. I like your painting.
Oh, that one? Yeah. Who's that? Look, you have the same hair.
How many were you in the car, Rolf?
4.
4?
But it's going to be 3 on the way home. So you can give me food.
And then you brought everybody home now?